may ilan politika ang inaatupag, marami ang paghina ng ekonomiya at paghirap ng buhay ang iniintindi. Kaya dinagsa ang Grand Kapamilya Negosyo Fair ng mga balak makaraos sa pamamagitan ng pagnenegosyo. Nagbabandila si Alvin L. Chico.
Ito yung alternative sa hanap buhay negosyo.
I'm looking for some other opportunities.
Kung karamihan sa negosyong pwedeng pasukin ay daang libong piso ang dapat na puhunan, marami rin ang pangumasa na konti lang ang kailangang kapital. Patok daw ang negosyong pagkain, kaya ang First Food Link Products nag-aalok ng pinakamababang kapital. Sa halagang 1,888 pesos, pwede na maging dealer ng mga pagkain tulad ng tosino, embutido at tapa, kung saan may 20% discount sa kada hango ng produkto. Ang food cart na pwedeng ipwesto sa subdivision o palengke, 8,888 pesos ang puhunan. Kung may Christmas bonus na parating, pwede rin itong 38,888 pesos na food cart na maaaring ilagay sa loob ng mga mall o train station.
Yung iba nagsastart ng 1,888. Sinasabi ng mga kamag-anak sa abroad, diyan ka muna mag-start. Palaguin mo. So hindi lang natin tinuturuan yung mga kamag-anak na humingi ng pera. Pero tinuturuan mo silang palaguin yung binibigay na pera ng OFW.
Git ni Arnold, kung maganda ang pwesto at tutok ang may-ari, wala pang 6 na buwan, bawi na agad ang kapital. Pero para sa isang kilalang entrepreneur, huwag puro kita lang ang isipin.
Don't go into business for the money. Go into business to serve a need. Hindi pwedeng kumita ka muna ng pera bago gumanda yung serbisyo mo. Kailangan gumanda muna ang serbisyo mo bago ka kumita ng pera ang gusto mong kitain.
Sa puso nila yung pagnenegosyo. Hindi porke afford mong bumili o mag-put up ng puhunan para makapagnegosyo. Kahit na anong negosyo na lang, pwede mong kunin.
Nagpapautang ng hanggang 15,000 pesos ang kumpanya ni Carl para makapagtayo ng maliit na negosyo at sa loob daw ng 2 taon, walang pumalya sa pagbabayad ng utang.
Ang Pilipino pala, pag binigyan mo ng tiwala, hindi niya papayagan na mawala yung tiwalang binigay mong yon.
Para sa
Kaya ang
Bandila,
Pilipino, pag
Alvin L.
pinautang
Chico.
mo dahil...
This for a 3-stroke lead with 1 to play.
Ability, 75%.
Oh no, Tiger's complete bag is in the pond. Well, this could change things. Oh.
Adaptability, 25%.
Tiger at 18 with a putter.
Just another day at the office for a Tiger. For careers information, visit our website. Accenture, high performance delivered.
The C2 difference. Made from natural green tea leaves, not from powder. Brewed and bottled on the same day. Capturing the healthy goodness of green tea. C2, a better life.
You ready, Paula?
Paula, you're blooming. Is it love? It's the power of vitamin E that helps make skin healthy and Actilyte that whitens, combined in the new Myra E Vita White Whitening Face Lotion with SPF 15 to protect you from the sun's rays. Bloom with healthy, whiter skin. They can't help but notice. Try new Myra E Vita White.
Sino yung kasama mo?
Sino yung kasama mo?
Sir, mahaba-habang usapan nata. Yan ah.
Kapag ganitong usapan, dapat Sunmig Light. Magaan sa tiyan, kaya mas mahaba ang inuman.
Tingin ko, ito sa atin dito may tinatago. May suspecha din ako. Sino kaya? Alam ko na. Ay!
May shrimp na sa KFC, pare.
You too will be surprised with the new KFC Surfers, made from real shrimp, battered, breaded the KFC way, freshly cooked to a golden crisp.
Dude, accept you. Oh, grupo! Bigla lang ako. Sarap kasi na shrimp eh.
fabulous. Cutie. Smile.
Piatos. Never had it this good.
Think your bones are strong? Think again. Bones have two layers, a strong outer layer and a weaker inner layer, which is more prone to breaking from the inside. Now, Anlean has nano calcium, which is more than 100 times smaller than normal calcium. Nutrients in Anlean help build strong bones from the inside out. New Anlean with nano calcium para sa lakas loob ng buto laban sa osteoporosis.
I live to perform. My song, my dance, my hair. There's no room for dandruff. Clear makes my hair soft and beautiful. I love my hair. Clear, it works. I'm convinced. My name is Nicole. Clear, no dandruff, just soft hair.
Every second, every day, your mind is hard at work. Analyzing, deciding, feeling, communicating, surviving. That's why apart from a healthy body, you need a healthy mind. Feed your mind with Century Tuna, naturally rich in omega-3 DHA that helps boost brain function. Every second, every day, think healthy, think Century Tuna.
How far can you go in one full tank these days? Proven 4 times over. Petron Extra Unleaded gives you what it takes to go a long way. Petron Extra Unleaded. Go for the extra miles.
Every game, kailangan ng focus, skill, at endurance. Shoot! Dribble! Shoot! Dribble! Shoot! 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 Hindi. Pag may tongkat, ali.
Where's my favorite robot shirt?
Be fit to a T with Nature's Harvest Fab, the cool juice drink with L-carnitine that helps burn fat and fiber that helps flush fat away. For a fabulous body, it's fun to be fab.
Mag-fiesta! Sa Parehas may fiesta ang buko salad. Di fiesta, kundi del monte fiesta. Tayo sa Kalibo, may malamang fiesta ang fruit float. Di fiesta, kundi del monte fiesta. Tara sa maskara, fiesta ang gelatin. Doon sa Kadayawan, fiesta sa malamig. Di fiesta, kundi del monte fiesta.
That's why you need Appiton Weight Gain with high protein efficiency ratio to help increase protein's ability to increase and increase body mass. It's easy. Appiton Weight Gain to increase body weight from Appiton.
Nowadays, dapat practical na. Lalo pa pag may 2 or more kids. Pero kahit nagbabudget, we don't wanna compromise. Lalo na sa milk. Kaya lang, ang dami-daming milks. Nakakalito, di ba? Kaya for me and my kids, Nido Fortified. My one milk to support the 10 signs of good nutrition. Kitang-kita kina Frankie at Miel. They're growing up so well. My one milk to support the 10 signs of good nutrition. Nido Fortified from Nestle.
No problem na. Mabilis to. Pa, pasukan na. No
problem. Bigatin to.
Bigatin ng pamilya pag naka-Bimeg Premium Hug Pellets. May kumpleto at balansing nutrisyon para ang alaga mo'y mabilis lumaki, siksik sa laman, at di sakitin. Ito'y hango pa sa high-quality ingredients. Kaya lahat ng pangangailangan may kasagutan.
Ma! Papakasal na kami. Bigatin pa yan.
Bimeg Premium. Bigatin!
You play just as hard. You sweat just as much. You thirst just as deep. Only Gatorade is backed by 40 years of scientific research, formulated to rehydrate, replenish, and refuel. So you play stronger, longer. Gatorade, you need it as much as the world's best do.
Ang hirap ng buhay kung walang hinahawakan. Pero bakit ang bareta mo ngayon walang hawakan? Ipinakikilala ng Tide, Ariel at Mr. Clean ang bagong scrubber. Madaling hawakan, kaya magaling maglinis. Kapit na sa bagong scrubber, ang bagong hugis ng linis.
New Royal True Orange. Now with B vitamins na pampakulit.
Akin yan.
New Royal with B vitamins. Ilabas ang kulit.
Sinampo mo lang? Pwede kang sumabit! Dare to see the Cream Silk difference. Take the Cream Silk Hair Dare. As shampoo cleans hair, it also strips off vital nutrients. Let's apply Cream Silk on one side. See as it nourishes hair and brings back the lost proteins. You get hair that's 4 times smoother, and the Hair Dare comb proves it. Dare to see the Cream Silk difference. Use Cream Silk after every shampoo.
Saan man sa Pilipinas, ito ang tunay na mukha ng sarap.
Bokasim!
Sarap Bokasim ng Dato Puti. May asim na hindi bitin. Buong-buo ang sarap, purong-puro ang dating. Kaya lasap ang sarap ng bawat lutuin. Para sa akin, ito ang tunay na mukha ng sarap.
Tunog Pasko na. 37 araw na lamang, Pasko na.
At nagdaan na naman po ang isang araw ng pagpapalita. Isang araw na bahagi na ng kasaysayan.
Sa ngalan ng bayan, sa ilalim na nag-iisang nating